a software engineer. For this hackathon, I built a VK arcade game called Moonray. So you can go to the field manual and read how it works. And you have the ranking. And first, I'm gonna show you how the game works. So the aim of the game is to let all moonlight free as much as possible. And you got 3 cuts. So I'm gonna start. I set 1 moon free. I set 3. And I set 6 moons free, and I'm gonna get this score. And I can keep practicing on the practice mode. There is no limit. But there is one game that is playing every day, and it is generated by the server every day using a nonce. And people can only play that game once, and they can submit their score and be part of the leaderboard. So I'm playing today's July 19th game. I get 40 points. So I'm gonna create a VK proof that I actually get 40 points by being compliant to the game rules, that I'm using the correct cut, I'm using the correct plate, and I'm setting the moon free without revealing all my moves. So that's where VK comes into play. So the VK proof is being generated on the proof server, and it takes a while because our circuit is complex. And while that's happening, I'm gonna show you what's going on behind the scene. So every player has a secret. They have a score nonce, and they run their cuts, and they run pieces, and there is a piece count. All these things are part of the game, and they're more of like a geometrical parameters. They're all defined in the circuit. So when we're submitting a proof, what we're doing is we're checking the levels, we're making sure the cuts are run correctly, the pieces are cut correctly, and everything that's necessary to make the game step valid. And you can also go to the verify run pure and see how verify run pure handles every stage. And that being said, you can also go to the engine folder, see how the game is structured. Here in the engine folder is the game's mechanism written into. So I'm gonna wait for the proof to be generated. As I told you, it takes a while. I'm also using 1AM wallet. Since the proof size is big, I strongly suggest you run a proof server and use the local proof server than relying on 1AM's proof station.
A few moments later.
And once the proof is generated, I'm gonna submit it into the blockchain. Can approve. And yeah, we have created a proof that we played the daily game. So next step is we can go to the leaderboard and we can reveal our score and get into the leaderboard. For example, I'm gonna use a moon run. Previously, I played with a different account and I scored 60 on the same game. So I can reveal my score and be part of the leaderboard. Here again, I'm gonna revealing my score and approving a transaction. So this is how you can play an arcade game where all your moves stays on your device, while you can create a VK proof that you're using a valid move while playing the game. Thank you very much.